blackened shell. I saw the heaven hidden in this hell. My hands were bleeding, my chisels broke in two, but my vision stayed steady, my aim stayed true. It's not about the great, it's not about the weight, it's about the fire that's sealing my faith. I'm not hitting the